Girlies, if you are dealing with PCOS or the PMOS, which is polyendocrine metabolic ovarian syndrome, so baka yung mga supplements na to ay kilala nyo na. First on our list, inositol. Super popular na nito, guys. So, inositol often used to support insulin sensitivity, help with cycle regularity, and may support ovulation. Second, berberine. Actually, guys, gusto ko itong i-take kasi trying to lose weight ako. Berberine, commonly taken for blood sugar support and metabolism, especially for those with insulin resistance. Sabi na pwede kang pumayat dito. The third one, folic acid, guys. Importante to sa mga nasa TTC journey. Ang folic acid supports early fetal development and overall reproductive health. But wait, guys, si folic acid natin may kasama ng vitamin D3, which is, this is good sa may mga PCOS na mababa ang vitamin D because it supports hormones and overall wellness. And last but not the least, CoQ10, known for antioxidant support and often used for egg quality and energy production. Ang dami palang supplement, guys, no? Pero syempre, bago ka mag-take, mas okay na magpapakonsult ka sa doktor mo.